Hey, what's up everybody? It's Matthew Nickerson. I am talking about a topic today called looking at Bitcoin by zooming out. Now, this topic really is in relation to those that are trying to understand the long-term hold approach versus the swing trade or day trade element of cryptocurrency. Now, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin specifically. First and foremost, let's get this out of the way. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a money manager, but I am letting you know that cryptocurrency is a risky investment. It's an alternative to stocks, real estate. So be very cautious with the money that you put up personally and know that there's always risks associated with it. The disclaimer is in the description. If you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe to my content. Let's get into the video. Getting into it, I'm going to start off by going into Coindesk.com. Now, Coindesk.com is a place that you can get news. You can look at the crypto prices. I'll show you up here where you can kind of see the daily activity that's going on a daily basis. It's pretty much for me my one source of truth when I'm trying to get a bunch of different aspects of what's going on in the market. So highly suggest this as a means of looking into crypto and becoming educated on the tokens themselves. So let's go into Bitcoin because this is really the main part of what I'm trying to get at. Now, when you click on all right here, you're going to get a range of about the year 2014 all the way to current day, which is 2022. But what I'm trying to get at in this video is really looking at it in a different matter. Now, you can do different viewpoints like clicking over and seeing the candlesticks on the gain and the loss, the green and the red. You can kind of see that from an all-time. Now, Bitcoin came out earlier than 2014, but a lot of the charts are not going as far back. So just kind of keep that in mind. Now, when you're looking at this, let's click this back to show you. This would be a chart that you would see on Webull, Robinhood, even Coinbase. You would see the linear graphs. But one thing that's very, very interesting when you're trying to kind of talk to friends or you're talking to people about the strategies that you have in place, go ahead and click over here where it says log. You are now looking at a logarithmic chart. So the difference is right here, you're seeing 0 to 10, 10 to 20. When you go to log, you're seeing 100 to 1K to 10K to 100K. But the main point in looking at this chart is that you get a little bit more of a realistic outlook as far as 2014 to where we're at today. And if you were to chart this with a pencil and a piece of paper, you could literally draw a line going from here all the way up here, which shows that Bitcoin has been one of the best performing assets. And if you look at it from this angle, you start to notice that this is showing you that even though there's been the dips such as 2017, there's been the dip after the 2020 going into 2021 and then back, and then we've experienced another bit of a dip, some capitulation. We still see a growth over the long period of time. So what is that showing us? It's showing us that those that are in the long-term game, such as a stockholder that holds on to Microsoft or Apple or Tesla or Amazon, if you choose that sort of Warren Buffett approach with crypto, you will in the long term possibly make the higher gains than if you're day trading. Day trading is extremely risky. Swing trading, where you're buying, selling after a month, buying, selling after a day, that can be extremely risky, and there's tax implications for short-term trading because you're going to pay short-term capital gains. But when you look at this chart based off of the course that it's been going on, we can see that over time with the halving events, with the different cycles that it's been going through, those that hold on to their coins for the long term end up becoming the winners. So the reason why I'm passionate about this and the reason why I'm coming to you today is because I myself am a long-term holder with a different time horizon than somebody else on YouTube that's telling you to buy and sell. I never really worry about it because whenever I do worry, I come back to this chart, and this really eases my anxiety whenever the markets are going through corrections. And if you've been in crypto for a certain period of time, you've already gone through a number of corrections anyways. This is Matthew Nickerson. I'm coming to bring the real words of wisdom, and I'm trying to give you a different perspective than to tell you to buy or sell or hold, but I'm showing you a different way of looking at this strategically so that you can make your own decision and come back and make the best plays possible. I've been a long-term trader now for some years, and I will continue to hodl and hold my coins. But for others that want to risk it and try to buy and sell and then buy back, if you're able to make the play and catch it on the dip, that's amazing. I have all praise for you. But there is justice and truth for holding for the long term, and we can see it in charts like this. That's what I'm going to leave you with, and I hope that you have a wonderful 2022, and let's get back to these charts and this trading. Have a good one. Bye.